Since the year 1878, this restaurant has been serving some absolutely yummy Parsi food. This place has such insane history written all over it. It is Pune's oldest and one of the top 5 oldest restaurants in India. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Gavin.
And I'm Adrian.
Today we are super excited to visit Dorabji and Sons. Besides the good food here, okay, I know the food is good because we've been here already in the month of Jan with Adrian's mom and we had such a fabulous time. A lot of our viewers who are born and raised in Pune or have lived abroad have fond memories of this restaurant. I had to visit Dorabji again because the last time we were here, we saw plenty of biryani takeaways being dispatched. I have Darayas here, guys. He's such a bubbly personality.
Hi,
So please let me do the honors of introducing you, sir.
thank you, Shirley.
Thank you. So he's Darayas and he's the great grandson of Mr. Sorabji Dorabji.
Yes.
So the restaurant was started way back in 1878. That's right. And what's surprising is that till date you have a lot of loyal customers
Yes, we do.
who are visiting since years and maybe not even years, maybe decades, right?
Decades.
So guys, what's astonishing is that the last time we posted a video, there were people who were watching all the way from the US, the UK and Australia and many other countries. And I'm so shocked to see that people have so many good memories, so many fond memories of
They
this
do,
place.
they really do, because there's so many people who are raised here
Right.
and they're living abroad.
Correct.
And whenever they come down, they say we've come back into time. Like time is frozen for us.
Right.
Because the atmosphere is the same, the place is the same.
Right.
We try to keep the food also as authentic as possible. So.
Right. So I just want to know, like, what is this thing about Parsi restaurant, especially your restaurant, which is the oldest in Pune? Why do people keep coming back to such places?
See, actually, a restaurant to run, consistency is the most important thing.
Right.
And that's what you look into a place. So if you come back to the place and you find the food is still the same, that is what is the winner.
And not just that, I must tell you, your smile is very infectious because I watched a video and there were so hundreds of comments only about you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank
So you have such a
No,
pleasing
no, I'm very happy doing my job. Yeah.
That's lovely. And it's so important to be passionate about your.
I am very. I get up every day in the morning and look forward to come to work. Yeah.
Wow, that is amazing. Not a lot of people are.
I know.
blessed to
Yeah,
have this.
it's like if you're following your passion. That's
Right,
what it is.
that's correct. And you told me that you are sending a takeaway
There
right
are
to
two.
the
There
US.
are, there are two orders. One is they are taking it. I'm not sending it.
Okay.
They are collecting it and they're going to take it to US.
There.
There's one this order that is going to France.
Wow,
So it's good. God is kind to us. Yeah.
that is fantastic. So thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank
And
you.
if you can take us in the kitchen
Of
and
course,
show us the
of
food
course.
inside, that would
Sure.
be amazing.
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah. Come.
So let's go in the kitchen
Please,
and
please
check
come.
out.
Yeah. It's going to
okay?
be hot. Huh? It's summer.
Yes, no problem. Thank you. As long as the food is good, the weather does not
Yeah.
matter. All right. So could you please start from this side? Like, what do we have here?
See, the biryani is being simmered. Actually, you can't even see it's only on ash right now.
On ash.
But
Okay.
if you actually go close to it, you'll find the heat. It still has the heat.
Okay.
it is
Yeah.
actually
I can
simmering.
actually sense it.
Yeah,
from
you can
here.
sense the heat. It is simmering. That's what that
Right,
is.
right. And the coating that's there around it is
That is the dum for
atta.
the dum atta.
Atta,
Yeah.
okay, for the dum.
For the dum.
Okay, that's nice. And I guess all these things here are very, very, very old. right?
Ancient. They're not old. They're really ancient.
I can see those bottles over
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
as
yeah.
well.
And that's vinegar inside. Huh?
Oh, that's vinegar.
Yeah, that's vinegar.
Is that some special kind of vinegar?
No,
that
regular
you-
vinegar.
Regular.
Yeah,
vinegar.
regular vinegar. But it comes from Gujarat.
From Gujarat.
Navsari, yeah.
Navsar.
Yeah,
Ah,
the
okay.
Parsi. Yeah.
Nice. And you basically use coal for everything.
Everything, our gravies to our rice dishes to everything is made on coal.
On coal.
Only the frying is done on gas.
Gas.
That's it.
Okay.
And that too we started about 10-15 years back, the frying on gas.
Uh-huh.
Because the demand has become so much that we can't keep up to the thing on coal.
Right.
So we needed it to be faster, so only the frying is done on gas.
On gas. That is so interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's move over to which side? Which side do you suggest? What about that? What's
these
there
are
over
these
there?
are the cutlets.
Cutlets. Okay,
Yeah.
can we come a bit
Yeah,
closer
yeah, of
and
course you can.
check it? Okay, so what cutlets are
These are the mutton cutlets.
mutton cutlets? Okay, okay, and okay, this looks interesting. So this will
Yeah,
be turned
he's
into
gonna
this.
pat it up.
Patted up. Yeah. Okay, that's nice. And the frying is done on
Frying
this
is done
side,
on
right?
this, yeah.
Okay. And what is
And this
this
is the
gentleman?
bheja is being cleaned because you have to devein the bheja. That's very important.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
No, you have to devein. You
Just
have to
like the
clean it.
prawns when you devein the
Exactly,
prawns.
exactly.
Okay. Otherwise, it will give you an
A
upset
stomach upset, yeah.
Ah, okay. Interesting. Okay.
So he's a
And-
specialist in doing that, yeah.
Yeah,
You have to
and-
be very patient to do it, yeah.
Yeah. And
He's
he's been there since a long time.
Very long time. He's been there from my grandfather's time.
Oh, wow.
His name is
that's nice.
Kisan.
Yeah. So that's something what I have observed in Parsi restaurants. They love anything that is old school.
That is true. Our furniture and our staff, everything is the same.
Even the cars.
Yeah, they do, yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Even the staff, stick around since so many years.
Lifetime, I'm telling you, we have people who have, finished their life over here only. That's how it is, yeah.
That's nice.
And even he's saying he wants to go to the grave over here only,
Here
nowhere
only.
else.
Okay, that is crazy. Okay, now let's move over to
Yeah.
that section.
Yeah.
So what is being
This
cooked here?
is the custard ka milk that is being
Ah,
on
okay.
slow fire.
Okay, okay.
That's how it is being done.
So you
So
boil it on slow
comes
fire and,
like-
and
yeah,
thicken it,
and we
right?
thicken it like rabdi.
Like rabdi. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So that's how it is.
Okay,
So it'll
okay.
keep simmering.
Okay.
And then you cool it down, you beat in the eggs, and then you wood fire bake it.
Wood fire bake it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's how you get that.
Yeah, that's how the smoke
that
technique
unique
is,
flavor. Okay, okay. So this is the one for Lagannu
Lagannu
custard.
custard. This is being done, yeah.
Yeah. So those of you who don't know Gujarati, Lagannu custard means wedding custard. I know Gujarati because I'm from Mumbai and I'm surrounded by Gujaratis.
Gujaratis, yeah, I'm sure. Yeah.
Okay.
But Bombay, the business language is Gujarati. Yeah.
Is Gujarati, yes, yes. Okay, now let's see this place. What are all these big huge containers here?
These are all my catering utensils.
Ah,
yeah.
okay. So you cater to weddings.
Weddings and Naujats and everything. Yeah, that's how it
What
is,
was
yeah.
the second one?
Naujats is a thread ceremony.
Okay.
It's like a communion, basically.
like a communion. Okay.
Danzo ka 150.
Okay. So I guess we've seen your entire kitchen.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for the
You're most
tour.
welcome, yeah.
And I was thinking of having the mutton biryani.
Of course, yeah.
That's what I'm here
Yeah.
for. And you suggested the
Chicken farchas,
chicken
dhansak,
parchas, custard, and
and the RD's drinks.
RD soda.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Thank you.
Well, guys, I have Mr. Venkatraman. He's the manager here, and he's been here since 25 years. 25 years, okay. So he's going to be my guide because I have a lot of food in front of me. Okay. So first of all, let me try this one.
पार्चा सर चिकन पार्चा
इसका नाम क्या है? चिकन पार्चा. अच्छा, इसको एग में फ्राई किया हुआ है.
डीप फ्राई करते हैं सर
डीप फ्राई किया. अच्छा, ओके.
पार्चा सर
Okay, so let me just put this in the plate here. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm going to try this. Just look at this, guys. This looks gorgeous. Just like the bheja that we had last time, it has a mild flavor, and that's what you can expect in a Parsi restaurant. It is chicken. इसमें नॉर्मल थोड़े स्पाइसेस सॉल्ट वगैरह है और एग में डाल के इसको डीप फ्राई किया ब्रेड क्रम लगा के. सो दैट्स वाई यू आर गेटिंग दिस crispy texture on the outside, and it is well done, well cooked inside. Okay, so guys, we are done with this. Okay, and let's see what we have next. They have a customer. Okay, so अभी इसके बाद आप क्या recommend करते हो ट्राई करना?
दंसाक बिरयानी और उसके बाद कस्टर्ड भी देते हैं स्वीट इसमें कस्टर्ड रहेगा
कस्टर्ड भी होगा. ओके,
ये अपना सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स ऐड लेते हैं सर
हाँ, तो इसको धनसाक बोलते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड धनसाक एंड दिस इज अ राइस.
फिर इसको नॉन पारसी लोग दालचा खाना बोलते हैं सर
दालचा.
ये दालचा खाना नहीं धनसक है ये पारसी स्टाइल में दालचा खाना है
अच्छा, और इसके अंदर मटन होता है.
मटन के पीसेज होते हैं
So guys, if you have a look here, there are a lot of mutton pieces here. Okay, so thank you so much, Mr. Venkatraman. And
बिरयानी में सर बिरयानी के अंदर भी मटन है सर
इसके अंदर मटन. हाँ, so this is also mutton biryani. और ये अलग अलग टाइप के ड्रिंक्स, ऑरेंज,
ऑरेंज
raspberry, lemon, ginger. Okay. Alright guys, so there was a lot. I needed his help. Thank you so much again. And मैं खाना खा के बताता हूँ आपको कैसे खाना. Thank you. I'll tell you what, when you are in Cannes, there are so many awesome places to have the biryani, and as soon as I put this in my dish, I could already get some beautiful fragrances. Okay, now guys, I'm going to be using my hand. So let's try the mutton here. So if you see here, there is this beautiful looking mutton piece here, and this is my 2-finger test, and as you can see, mutton is soft. And let's mix this with the biryani. Oh man, no wonder the last time we were here, so many people came. I'm salivating, sorry guys. So many people came here to have the biryani. It is too good. As you can see, not a lot of masala. That is how biryani should be. Some amazing grains of rice, okay, and the masala inside is so good, guys. It is so fragrant and so flavorful. Not at all spicy. Really great flavors. Okay, now let me keep this aside, and I am going to go for the dansak. So I'm so sorry guys, this is going to be a bit messy, but I want to show you quickly what each and everything tastes like here. Even this guys, as soon as I started putting this on my plate, I could get some beautiful fragrances. They have definitely used tomato in this, I can smell it. Mildly flavored, it's a bit on the sweeter side. And now let me mix this, because that is what you're supposed to mix this with. So Mr. Venkatraman told me that this is called dansak right here. Okay, this is called dansak, and people who are non-Parsis, they call it dalcha as well. Oh, I'll tell you what, the flavors in this thing guys, look at the meat, look at how soft it is, and this has obviously been simmering away for a long time. All the dal and all the meat inside, you know, it is cooked so well. It is such a perfect blend that you can have this with the rice. So again, this is another hit. Simply loving the flavors, and I have a little bit of lime and onion. So guys, normally I don't do this, but I need to change the flavor in my mouth a bit, because all this certainly goes well with the lime. In fact, I recommend when you are here to squeeze a bit of lime on the food. It is going to be so good. And look at this chicken drumstick here guys. This right here is Parsi KFC. Too good. Super impressed with the dansak and the mutton biryani guys. And the best part is, if you see inside here, there are such big pieces of mutton. So I'm going to show you the mutton piece here guys. This is a potato, so they even have potatoes in it. Let's try the potato. It is that kind of a biryani where even if you have only the rice and potato, it will be that tasty. This is super amazing guys. And now let's taste the different drinks. So I'm going to do this only for you guys. I'm not stupid to take all four and try all four at once. It's only for you guys. Okay. Oh, that is strong. Ginger flavored cold drink. And look at this, RDs. So this is something that is iconic, it's legendary, it's ancient, it's old school, you name it. You can associate all these words with Parsi cuisine. So guys, this one is done. Now let's chase this with the lemon. So ginger and lemon might go well. It does go well. In this hot weather, this is such a blessing here. Okay, now let's have the orange. Oh yeah, really very very flavorful all the three. And let's have the cranberry. Ah, cranberry is very sweet, guys. It actually is a bit like syrup or tonic, but you know, if you love those kind of flavors, you might like this. Okay guys, so that was a complete review of the food that we are going to eat here, and that's not it. We even have caramel custard coming, and next up is going to be Adrian's quick review of the food. Now after such a special lunch today, Adrian has gotten nostalgic and she's ordered for this Lagannu custard. So Adrian, તારા અને મારા લગન થઈ ગયો અને તમે લગનનું કસ્ટર્ડ જોઈ છે. ઓકે, નો પ્રોબ્લેમ. So Adrian, please have the Lagannu custard and let us know what the taste is all about.
The custard is amazing.
And what's different about this custard? I guess it's creamy, right?
It's creamy and
It's not like a regular caramel custard.
no.
If you see, it's very thick. And the texture on this, it has some dark brown sort of caramelization, but it is not caramelization of the sugar, it is caramelization of the cream,
Yes.
if I'm not wrong.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so please taste that caramelized part as well. And yes, let viewers know what is the taste like. Is it very bitter or something? Just taste and let us know.
It's perfectly mild. It goes really well with the custard.
Yeah, so the last time I had it, I remember the taste, guys. It's not at all bitter. It's a perfect and well balanced combination with this beautiful looking Lagannu custard. So guys, just to add to Adrian's review, I had the custard as well, and it has a bit of a nutty flavor inside. They have put bits and pieces of the nuts, and I can also taste some cardamom, if I'm not wrong. So I just wanted to give you a complete review of the Lagannu custard. In case if you are here to eat the biryani or the gansak, and if you want to have a sweet ending, I highly recommend you order the Lagannu custard. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. It's always a treat to come here. Sadly, Mr. Darius had to leave for a catering order that he has in the fire temple. But Darius, if you're watching, I love, not only me, Adrian as well, loved the food so much. We are going to take away the mutton biryani, and I wish I could take away your entire menu, but that's not possible. But Darius, thank you so much for your hospitality, guys. If you meet Mr. Darius, when you talk to him, you'll feel like you're talking to a friend whom you know since 20 years. That's how friendly he is, and that's how friendly the staff have been here. They have given us very good service, and I love the food here so much. There is another video coming up soon on this place again. Not very soon, but definitely I'm coming back here again, guys. This is one of those restaurants where the food is fabulous. They have a lot of things on their menu, and 1-2 videos will definitely not do justice to this restaurant. So guys, until the next time, take care, stay safe and stay positive.